Hello friends, welcome to Chiranjit tutorial. Today in this video I am going to show you how to make logo in round shape. I will start with Google Chrome logo. So let's start. At first I will lock this object. Press Ctrl 2 to lock this object. This object is locked. I cannot select this. And then I will take a round circle. I will take the round circle and press Alt Shift for a proper circle, and then I will change the stroke color, make it 0.5 and black, and drag with Shift to the edge of the logo. So this is the circle I have taken, and I will take one more circle to here, to the white color, and we will take one more. Ctrl C, Ctrl F for the duplicate circle, and press Alt Shift and drag to the inside. So this one more circle here, and just drag with Shift. And then select this circle and the last circle. Select these two circles and press Ctrl 8. You can see the shape here. And then I will take three lines, straight line, 1, 2, 3. Take the line segment tool and click here with Shift for a straight line. Then I will make it, I'll drag it to large. So this is the first one, and we'll take one more. And the last one. Then select these three lines and the circle. Select three lines and the circle, and then go into Pathfinder and choose this option, divide. It will divide it to three parts. So you can see here is three parts. This one red, this one yellow, and this one green. And after this, take this direct selection tool, select this point and delete. And here select this point and delete. So you can see here is the three part. Make it ungroup. This is part 1, this is part 2, this is part 3. Now need a white base in the middle. So duplicate this circle with Ctrl C, Ctrl F. and drag with Alt Shift. And select this circle and this circle and press Ctrl 8. Then take it to the outside. So select this one and press I for the eye drop tool and click on this for fill the color. Then select this one, press I and click on this. Select this, press I, to fill it, and again press I and click on this green. So here is, click on this and press on this blue. So you can see Google Chrome logo is ready in very simple step. So thank you guys for watching the video.